In today's video, we're covering a fantastic job opportunity with Indigo Airlines for ground staff. Roles in Ahmedabad, happening on November 11, 2024. Positions include customer services, security, and ramp with a salary range of 2.5 to 3.5 lakh per annum. Requirements: graduation, age below 27, no visible tattoos or braces. The recruitment drive is at Saravar Portico Rivera, Ahmedabad, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Don't forget your resume, photo, and documents. If you're interested in more job updates and opportunities, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching.